Hello, Matthew Simmons here, bringing you another Simmonsessentials original design. Let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be called the Rival Wreath knot. So I'll go ahead and slide this in so you can see it better. Here we go. I'm going to have my left side at the belt line. As usual, I'm going to come in and put in my dimple in the center. I'm going to come bring this over bring the skin up and over like this. So this is what we have so far. Then I'm just going to come back across to the other side like this, and then bring it around like so. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my wreath right here, and I'm going to come around like this and do another one like this. And then do another wreath and then bring it underneath this loop here. And do another wreath and bring it back up through this loop. Right there. There's your Rival Wreath knot. So again, find me on Instagram at Simmonsessentials to see the picture for this knot. There we go. There you have it. Peace and God bless.